Today is June 9th. We are having an exhibition of rare Holy Quran, which is a personal collection of Khalid Ahmad Saab from New York. This is happening in Baitul Hadi, New Jersey. And I'll ask Khalid Saab to tell us a little bit about his personal collection of the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, this first is from the personal Quran of the Hazrat Usman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So when he was martyred, he was reciting this Holy Quran. The original is preserved in Topkapi Palace Museum, Turkey, and this is the fine art facsimile of that Holy Quran, and there are only 1,000 copies produced for the worldwide distribution. And this is the spot where the blood of Hazrat Usman, the few drops of his blood fell on this spot, which is the ayat number 138 of the Surah Baqarah. This is the critical edition of the same Quran, which gives you the description of each and every ayat written in Nastaliq script. This is again a Quran which is preserved in Cairo, and they claim also that it is from the period of Hazrat Usman. So one of the 5 Musafs which were produced during the time of Hazrat Usman, one was sent to Cairo and it is still preserved there. This is the Quran which is preserved in Yemen, and it is claimed that it is written by Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So these are the Qurans which are from the 1st century of Islam.
So this whole section that we covered so far is from the 1st century.
This is another almost 1,000 to 1,100 year old original in Kufic script written on vellum. This is the Quran which is the Quran of Ibn al-Bawab. So Ibn al-Bawab actually is very important in the Quranic calligraphy, because he is the one who